viewers, we SKME, Sabka Malik Ek. Today we have decided to donate some rations to the needy people. We are making this video just to influence the people around us so that they can also help to the needy people around them. हमारा मकसद ये है कि अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, कोरोना केसेस बढ़ रहा है, so that's why we are not gathering much people. जितना हम लोगों से हेल्प हो पाएगा उतना हम लोग हेल्प करेंगे. So at this critical time, we have decided, to come forward and help the people who are in need of rations, money, because many people are being affected by their jobs. You can say, right, some laborers or the people who are going to wash utensils, the maid, they are being very affected, So that's why we have decided today as SKME, Sabka Malik Ek, we believe in Sabka Malik Ek. So that's why we have decided to help the people irrespective of their caste, religion.
This is going to be the first ever distribution by SKME. If you can help your surroundings, the people staying nearby you who are in need, who needs help, if you can do that, do it from your side. You can always contact us. We'll get that. We'll take the information from you, and whatever needed can be done from our side as well.
COVID-19 protocols and precautions were also taken care by the SKME members, so we made sure that all the members thoroughly wash their hands and sanitize their hands before we touch the eatables so that no virus and bacteria gets transmitted from our body to the recipients who were to receive the relief from SKME. Relief which was to be distributed were already brought in one place, and now it was time to pack them and make individual packets. We also quality checked the items so that no one gets any items that can't be eaten or cooked. As soon as the packings were done, our next task was to shift the items to a place where it can be easily accessible to everyone. Once the packing were done, we made sure that the place we used is cleaned before we start with the distribution. We decided to go to a less crowded area so that no unnecessary gathering is created during the distribution. We also made sure that all the recipients were sanitized and free masks which were given by Sikoza Mobile Accessories were also distributed to them. Just after the distribution of few packets, we saw people started gathering, so we decided to bring more packets one by one only after the old packets got distributed. Later, when we got the information of an old lady who is in need of help, our team quickly moved to the location and did what we do best. We gave her everything that was left with us after the distribution, along with the relief package which we packed earlier. Later, when we realized that it would be difficult for the lady to carry the items which were a bit heavy, so our team decided to drop the items directly at her doorstep. We also consoled her that we will be coming back again to see if she needs anything else in the near future. In return, what we got were the blessings that made our day and made SKME relief distribution a success.
Hi guys, thanks for watching the video. We really felt good in contributing. We would really like to say thanks to three of our members actually, Sandeep, Ayan and Prabhakar, who Prabhakar couldn't be in the video today since he stays quite far. And also we would like to really thank his father, who really helped us in bringing the poor so that we could actually help them in person.